What's up, you guys? We're back, man. I know I've been gone for a little while, but we're back. We are back, and I'm gonna take you guys on a little POV drive and kind of talk to you guys about what has been going on in my life and why I haven't uploaded in a little while. But yeah, right now I'm on my way to a softball game that I have that I'm actually running late for. But I figure why not take you guys along, kind of tell you guys what's been going on. And yeah, because I'm definitely not used to not uploading for as long as I have, which is, you know, new to me. But you know, I'll tell you guys what has been happening. I just need to get this going first. But hope you guys have been doing well, though. I appreciate you guys so much, and I've missed you guys more than you guys probably even know. If you guys didn't know, I upgraded my ambient lighting in here, so now I have ambient lighting all the way around. I got them on all the doors. Right now you can't really see it because, you know, it's pretty light out and stuff like that, but you can definitely see the one here that I have on the dash. The door ones are off at the moment. I can turn them on if I want to, but you won't really be able to see them in the daytime. I don't know if you guys can see that or if the camera can pick that up, but I'll keep them on for right now. Maybe you guys can't see it. But anyway, guys, it's your boy Sticks, man. Back at it again in the 440,000. Yes, sir. Hold on, I need to put the address to where I'm going, bro, because I don't even know where I'm going right now. All right, guys. First things first, I want to apologize to you guys for not uploading for as long as I have. I know you guys, you know, enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them for you guys. So I apologize for that. But I'm trying to post more now, which I will be posting more. But what is this guy doing, bro? This guy's like, I don't know, but I will be posting more again. I've been working on something, you know what I mean? So I actually opened my own mobile detailing business here in Westchester area and stuff like that, Yonkers, Westchester, just around there. And so I've been really focused on opening that up, getting the website up, you know, gathering all the information that I need to provide the best service that I possibly can, learning everything about the products, learning about dilution, learning about the prices, learning a lot about everything and where I want to take the business. And so that's why I haven't been uploading as much as I have. You know, making a website is not easy, though it is easier nowadays because you do have AI all over the place. You have so much information on TikTok, so much information on Google, on YouTube, that anybody can really open a website if you really put the time in and just, you know what I mean? So that's what I've been doing, and that has been taking a lot of my time. If you guys didn't know, I'm also a baseball coach, so that takes up a lot of my time as well. And I'm also Uber and Lyft driver. That is like another side hustle that I do. I do everything, you guys. And so, you know, I sat down and I've always wanted to open my own mobile detailing business, and I just honestly didn't know how to go about it at first. And I always thought that you needed a van for it to do a mobile detailing business. And I did so much research, and I found out that you really can do it out of your car, bro. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing it out of this car. Maybe I'll take it sometimes, I don't know. Maybe it'll like motivate the customers to like, oh, he has a nice car, so he probably can do a really good job. So maybe we'll see if all the stuff fit in here. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing it out of either this car sometimes or my other work car. Probably my other work car, just because I don't want to just be driving this car just to go do mobile detailing. Maybe I will, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I've been doing, you guys. So yeah, so be on the lookout actually for, I'm gonna be opening another YouTube channel which is gonna be completely dedicated to mobile detailing. If you guys are interested in opening your own mobile detailing, I'm gonna have that channel just for you guys, just so I can, you know, show my experience, take you guys to my first client, tell you guys everything about the products that I'm using, just everything, bro. Like the vacuum, the pressure wash, everything will be on that channel. So I'm gonna be opening it up very soon. The only reason I don't have it open at the moment is because I want to make sure that I get a client first, which actually I already have a client set up for this weekend, and I'm actually very excited. And I'm gonna be honestly focused on nice cars, just because I feel like it'd be cool to show you guys. And you know, but I'm not gonna discriminate. I'm still gonna do all the cars, but I'm saying like the cars I'll probably be showing on my channel will be like the nicer cars I do. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in learning about detailing, and just interested on watching me wash cars and learn everything about it, it'd be a really cool journey for us to kind of take together. And yeah, also if you got a nice car, or just if you have a car that you would like to fully detailed, or interior detail or exterior detail, definitely hit me out, bro, because I'm a new business owner, but I am as you guys know, I'm very knowledgeable about cars. I've been doing this for a while. I love cars, and I will definitely treat your car right, because you guys know how much I love my car, and I treat my car really, really good. And yeah, I will definitely, your car will be in good hands. So make sure you guys are following me. I'm gonna put all the links in my description, like my Instagram, my business page, my website. I'm gonna be posting everything there, and you guys can check it out. And I really appreciate if you guys just give me like a chance, bro. Let me come detail your car and take a chance on me, and then let me know what you guys think. I promise you it's gonna be great, because you guys know that your boy Sticks, when he's into something, he figures it out. You guys know I do everything to my car myself, and I do it right. So I'll make sure to take care of your car. And I've been honestly receiving packages all week because I order everything. So I will also talk to you guys in my other channel, like how much everything costs and everything. So if you guys are interested in making a little side hustle, you know what I mean, this summer I'm really gonna I took a chance on like trying it out to see if it's something that could potentially be something I do. I would love for it to be that, and I have a feeling that we're gonna make it happen, just because I kind of know how social media works, and I've been doing YouTube and stuff for a while. So I think the YouTube will help, the Instagram, the TikTok, and yeah, bro, that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm super excited. I don't know if you guys can tell by my voice. I'm super duper excited to try this out. And yeah, bro, hopefully it goes well, bro. I know that it will, just because I know you guys are awesome and will support the kid. And yeah, man, yes sir. And by the way, my business is called Elite Finish Mobile Detailing. Like, comment below if you guys like the name. And yeah, bro, it took me a while to decide on what to name it, because I wanted it to be something classy, nice and clean, and that's what we went for. So yeah, bro, it's been a lot of work. I'm super grateful for my girlfriend, actually, because she has helped me a lot with the website and everything like that. Because you guys know that girls have like a different kind of view on things, and my girlfriend is very creative versus me. I'm kind of creative, but not as much as her. And so she has helped me a lot with like the design and just coming up with the name and everything like that. So, but I've been putting a lot of work, guys. I've been doing so much research. That is why I have not uploaded on YouTube in as long as I have, just because I've been grinding with that, bro. Behind the scenes, man. I've been posting here and there on Instagram of everything, but yeah, bro. But the 440,000 is not gonna be forgotten, because we're still gonna be doing a whole bunch of videos on the car. And this is an opportunity for me to like make some extra money, just so I can do so much more to this car that at the moment I'm not able to do. So that would help out a lot. So yeah, bro, yes sir, yes sir. One more thing, guys. So look, I need your help on something. All right, I'm gonna be posting down below the link to my review site, or my Google, my business site, and I would really appreciate you guys to go and say something nice, bro. If you really mean it from the heart, go over there and say something nice. Give me a nice little review, and I would really appreciate it, bro. I read all of them, just how you guys know I read all the comments. I read them all, and I really appreciate that, man, just so we can get some business going. And yeah, bro, I'm really putting my all into this, man. So I really appreciate if you guys pull up on me, man. Pull up on me, man. Show the kids some love. But with that being said, man, enough talking about my business. I'm super excited, just know that, because I know that it's gonna help out this channel as well in terms of like the content and all that. So yeah, just be on the lookout for my new channel and my business page, bro. So yeah, with that being said, man, just enjoy the drive. I'm gonna go ahead and put the car in sport. I have not driven this car, guys, in a while. I'm not gonna lie, I have not driven the car at all, so I don't even know. Let me see, let me put the back windows down a little bit so we can hear it. I haven't driven the car in sport in a long time, bro. Probably like 2-3 weeks almost. Probably was the last time that I drove this car like that. But yeah, man, enjoy it, man. Look. I don't know. You guys can't really hear it, but man, I really missed you guys, bro. I can't believe it's been 2 weeks since last time I uploaded a video. That's kind of crazy, but yeah, bro. We're here though. Car still feels amazing. Still treats me well, as always. And I'm just grateful for it, man. Super blessed. So I don't know if it's weird, but I'm actually kind of nervous for this business in terms of like I'm so picky with things that I want to make sure that the job is done perfect, bro. Because you know, a car to me, and I know to other car enthusiasts, I think is the word. I don't know how to say it right. To car people, I guess. To other car people, car is very important in terms of like you don't just take your car, especially if you have a nice car that you really care about. You don't just take it to anybody. And so, because I don't take my car to no one, I be doing everything myself. And so I know it's very, very, very important to make sure I do an amazing job. And so I'm kind of nervous about it a little bit, but it's a good nervous thingy. I can't wait though, bro. I just want to start, bro. Just waiting for a couple more things. And yeah, I think there's a G82 actually behind me. I think there's a CSL actually. It's kind of far though, we can't see it, and they're not taking this exit, but yeah. Oh man, no, but really guys, I need you guys' support, bro, to be honest, bro. So please go on my review, Google my business site, bro, and just leave me a nice little review, bro. If there's something though, I don't even care if you guys don't like the video, I don't care if you guys don't comment in this video, bro. I really need you guys to go on my Google my business, just so I can get some love and get some business going. I really appreciate it. But man, yeah, but don't go in there and saying a whole bunch of nonsense, bro. Go be there. If you're gonna go, say something nice, bro, please. Don't be a troll. All right, if you're gonna say something nice, or just don't say anything, you know what I mean? If you guys believe that I will be if I will do a good job, go there. If not, just don't say nothing, please. All right, please. Thank you for 40,000. Feeling nice. Damn, that park is full. There's like a pool there, and I guess everybody at the pool right now. I have not enjoyed the summer at all, bro. Not that I haven't enjoyed it, but I'm saying like I haven't done anything. I just been working, grinding, and just that's it, bro. That's all I do. I know you guys think I probably just be like, where's Sticks at? He don't be doing nothing, he just be chilling. Nah, bro, I've been grinding, bro. 40,000, bro. Feeling good. One thing I can say though, I was driving the car yesterday, right, for a little bit. I went to the gym, and I was like, why my car making like a weird noise when I turn it like a lot all the way? I don't know if it's like my brakes or something. It doesn't do when I'm driving or turning normally, but when I do like a complete all the way turn, I hear like a little gunk sound turning it all the way to the left. I don't know if that's my axle, or it can't be the control arms. I just put brand new control arms and all of that stuff. So I don't know what it can be, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm too busy with other things. But whew, damn, I missed this car, bro. It's been a minute, bro. I know you guys have missed it too. And I also ran into one of you guys a couple days ago, and you guys were like, yo, Sticks, what up? You were driving a F. If you know, comment down, or if it's you, comment below saying it's me. It was me. Dang. You were driving a F82 M4 black, and it was nice, bro. It was real nice. I was like, who the heck is honking at me? It was like, he was like right next to me. He honked at me. I was like, who's honking at me right now? I put my windows down. He's like, yo, Sticks. I said, yo, what up? And then yeah, it's always super cool to meet some of you guys like on the road. Cause it's been a couple instances where you guys just kind of like honk at me or something, or like, yeah, pull up next to me and say, yo, yo. I'm like, what the heck is happening? So it's actually really cool to see that you know, there's people actually that kind of know me, you know what I mean? Oh wait, is this a red light camera or a speeding camera? I don't know. I don't even know, but yeah, bro. For 40,000 being active, bro. You guys can hear it. You guys hear those burbles and pops, bro? my car's probably mad at me because I haven't been driving them the right way for the longest. But we back there. We back though. I'm actually early for the first time, bro. I'm actually early. My game doesn't start until 6:30. And I get there at 6:08. This is the earliest I've ever been to any of my games, bro. I'm always super duper late. So I doubt anyone's even there yet. It's all good though. It's all good though. But yeah, man, we are here though. Hey, I would appreciate you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, please go check out my business down below. Google my business as well. So go check out the website and comment if you like the website. If you hate the website, comment that down below so I just know. I really appreciate you guys so much, man. We're back on the YouTube grind. Stay tuned for more videos, man. A lot more coming because I'm a little bit more free now in terms of like business wise. I did a lot of the things already, so I got a little bit more free time. So be on the lookout for that, man. I really love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.